Hi, brother. How are you?
I'm pretty good. So, what about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you. So, where are you calling from?
Uh, I'm from West Bengal and I live in Kolkata city. Yeah.
Okay.
And you?
Yeah, I'm Samir and calling from Mumbai.
All
And
right.
I'm learning English language. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. So, why you are learning English language and what's the reason behind it? Do you have any kind of specific reason of learning?
Yes. I have a reason. I have lots of question and answers also. So I'm going to share with you like why I'm learning English language.
Yeah.
First thing, like I'm preparing my interview. I'm searching a job in airline industry. We can say ground staff job. So you know very well, like over there, it's necessary to English language.
Yeah, you
Like
should be fluent in that.
yeah, right, absolutely
Yeah.
right. So that's why I'm learning English. Okay.
Yeah, that's the reason.
I have a one question, brother. Please share with me. Please discuss with me, like how to build a communication, how to get a fluency, how to start a communication, how to build a communication skills. Please share with me if you have a answer and any unique something. So please share with me.
Okay, when I was learning English language at the beginning moment, when I started, learning English,
Mhm.
so at the time I couldn't speak, single word of English language.
Okay.
Yeah. Then
Mhm.
after that I started to learn English from, start, just I just trying to make some simple sentence. How we can make the complete, single sentence, like a simple word. Yeah, I started from, making some single words like a one complete sentence. Then after that, I trying to know some new words. Then after that, I joined, some new words on that sentence. Then our sentence will be changed.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
after that, I get, then after that, when my career route,
Okay.
when I realized that myself, I can able to make the complete sentence. I can express all those things properly. Then after that you can focus on then after that you can focus on, new words or vocabulary words,
Yeah. Right.
which will,
Right.
which will help you to, to communicate with someone else in a deep topic.
Mm-hmm. A
Yeah.
topic is very important to discuss with in
Yeah.
front of people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, some of people, some of topic have, where you will have to know, vocabulary words. Without vocabulary words you can't, communicate on that topic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
some you know
Okay.
some such topic have
Okay.
this. Yeah. uh,
Yeah. For
without,
example.
yeah, without vocabulary words you can communicate on that, such a topics.
Okay. Such a topic. We can say
Yeah,
like
like, like if you will trying to, communicate in a deep things like their culture, like, like a American culture, or, different culture, you will trying to know, their deep things. So you should be like fluent in this language, or you should know lots of vocabulary words so that you can understand their words
okay.
during the
So
conversation.
how do we practice? How do we practice? For example, right now I'm here. Okay, and I have a time, but I don't have any partner, any atmosphere, environment. So how do I improvement?
Just you can, you can write, story in your book. So yeah,
Okay. Uh-huh.
just select any topic and write down anything else, whatever come in your mind, that topic.
So, what about you? How do you improve yourself, like writing and talking and watching and
Yeah, first,
listening?
when I was learning English, I started to listening. I started, I started listening, like a
Okay.
2% between conversation as well as speeches.
Mm.
Yeah, whatever
O-
I learned, try to, whatever I learned from listening, I always try to use all those things with my friends or with my relatives.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. So, you have an atmosphere. That's why you are thinking more and more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And
That
that's a fact. As I told you, my sister is native in this language.
Okay.
So
Oh,
I always communicate with her, and yeah, whenever I make any kind of mistakes, she always trying to correct me while conversation.
okay, that's good. That's
Yeah,
good. That's why reason you are speaking fantastic. Your accent also like different, and you have a good command for English language. Totally, you are doing hard work. I'm observing your English language. You are speaking. It's fantastic. It's a good weekend. Seriously. Yeah.
I don't think so. My English is well, because when you will start, when you will become just like me,
Mhm.
I'm speaking when you will starting speaking English just like me. That time you realized it's not enough for you, because human desire never decline.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Suppose if you have one leg, so you then after that you will think, how can I make it in two legs?
Okay. Yeah. Right. Right. So thing is,
Yeah,
never desire. We can say like day by day. Like increasing our desire.
yeah, desire, yeah, human
Yeah.
desire never declines.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Even I'm also like improving with stranger people. So always I prefer to video calling, like discuss about normal and talk about like how's going and what's your future. Normal conversation. But if you
Normal
talk about
conversation.
atmosphere, I don't have a in here. I don't have any partner. And okay, and I don't like a reading part also. Seriously, whenever I try to
Yeah, yeah,
reading,
yeah. I
it
also I also hate from reading. I don't
yeah.
like reading. I just
Okay.
listen and talking. That's it. Two things.
Yeah.
Listen and talking.
Yes. Even I'm
Yeah,
also I do myself like only for watching movie and listening podcast and try to speaking with stranger people like audio call,
yeah,
video call that.
yeah,
I like to
yeah.
prefer seriously. Always I prefer to these things.
That's cool. That's cool.
So communication we can say like if you spend a more then you will learn. We will
Yeah, yeah,
learn.
yeah. One of his more, it's a quote of English language, of learning English language. More you will speak, more you will learn.
Oh, I see. More you will speak, more you will learn.
Learn.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay. That's good. So always try to talk with people, talk with yourself, and talk with your
yeah, yeah.
family. Try to talk. If you
Talk.
talk, then
Yeah,
we will get a fluency. We will get a
yeah,
idea. We will just work our tongue because it's a pronunciation also very important. Sometimes uh, about we can say like whenever we get a new word and big word,
yeah,
so we not pronunciation proper. So over there we feel too stuck. So
yeah,
if we
yeah.
prepare, if you talk more and more, then we will get how to pronunciation proper. So
Yeah,
this is very
and
important.
as well as try to play with sentence,
Oh, I
like
see.
uh like here is, like, just you will have to set another word, what will be happening on that situation, on that sentence.
Oh, I
Try
see.
to set another word, then again another word, play with sentence, it will lot, it will lots, lots of, uh, confusions will be fixed.
Oh, I see. So please tell me again. Repeat. Can you make a simple sentence? Can you play a simple sentence? Like, please tell me again. I'm not getting your point.
Like,
Hmm?
when I was okay, giving you example, when
Okay.
I was walking down the street.
Uh-huh.
Okay, okay, when I was walking down the street, one of girl was staring me.
Okay.
One of girl was staring me.
Okay. Oh, I see.
So yeah, then I said that word. Okay, try to exchange into another situation. What, more you will play with sentence, it will more, it will makes the it will makes the structure in your mind.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
but if you will clear if you will clear your route, you
Mhm.
can use that word anywhere and anytime in any situation.
Yeah, absolutely. Because whenever we free time, even whatever we do, we just remember a word, we remember a sentence and a story, and talk to. We can say we do just mumbling ourselves, Mumbling is like, a more talky person. So if we
Yeah,
try, then we will get. Yeah, absolutely, you're right. Then we can build our communication skills.
yeah,
And doesn't
yeah.
matter which language. So, people, yeah, I have another question. People people talk about communication means English language. So is that true? Is this true?
Yeah,
Like,
it's true. It's true. I'm speaking language. I'm speaking English language. Even I don't know single word of grammar. If you
okay.
will ask me, so I can't able to give the answer of any grammar.
Oh, I see. No, no. I'm asking whenever come to the point, people talk about communication skill. I want to build my communication skills. Okay. So people
Communication.
jump to like English language. So
No,
communication
like
means
a communication. It mean like a communication, like conversation.
yeah. Over there
Yeah.
doesn't matter Hindi and English and native and Punjabi. Over there doesn't matter.
No,
At
it
least
doesn't
you
matter.
understand.
But you will have to assume which language. In which language you want to develop your communication skill.
Yeah,
That you
right.
will have to assume it. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Communication, we can say, if you understand
It can be.
properly, like, yeah,
Yeah.
whatever I'm trying
Or
to,
it can be another language. It can be another language like Spanish, French.
right,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
So over there, we can say, if you understand what I'm trying to share with you, what I'm trying to tell with you, you understand 100%. So this is, we can say, good communication. Am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah. You can survive, any native country. Like you're learning English language, so you can survive, US, America easily. You can survive over there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Because, nowadays,
because you can fulfill your all needs.
yes, yes, right, right.
Yeah,
And
whatever
it's
you want.
important.
Yeah,
It's very important communication in, especially in this generation. It's very, very important.
yeah. It's pretty much important. Yeah, if you will try to get a job,
Mhm.
if you will trying to get a job like IT sector, or as you told me you want to get a job in airlines. So
Right.
airlines, there people travel, lots of people there belongs from not nationalities, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
you will have to communicate with them, and one of languages, it's English, which is global language. So you will
Yes,
have to communicate in English language, yeah, because everybody knows English language.
yes, yes, right, right. So over there we
Yeah.
can say, if you have a more knowledge about English, then you can survive. You can handle. You can talk with foreigner, with non-native, like not national people. So it's very
Yeah,
important.
if you want to do something unique as compared to another people, you should be fluent in this language.
Yes, yes,
Like you want to work on an international level, so that's the thing. So you will have to become an fluent in this language.
yeah, absolutely. So please remember me again, like give me points like how to build a communication skills. Just
First of all, you will have to clear your route, English speaking route. Like sometimes we stuck, even I'm also stucking.
Mhm.
Sometimes we stuck, trying to express any situation like a story.
Okay.
If I will saying you, if I will say you try to explain your past, like your school life. you know
Mhm.
I guess if you will try to express it, that time you can stuck.
Yes, yes, right, right, right.
Yeah, first of all we need to clear our route.
Okay, clear our route. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, of English language, which situation we can use that word on that situation, on that sentence.
Then we will realize, like if we get the answer why we are learning, why we are improving, then definitely we will learn about communication. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's great thing, brother. And by the way, I'm going to tell her your English is fantastic. Seriously, I'm happy with you. I'm impressed with you. I don't know. I don't know how you are learning. Like about you do not prefer to vocabulary. You do not prefer to reading. You do not. You just like
Yeah, no, I
watch
prefer
and
vocabulary
listening.
words, but not beginning moment. I
Okay.
prefer vocabulary words. I always prefer, but not beginning moment. If you're started learning, you know,
Mhm.
if you're beginning, it's
Okay.
your beginning language, so you don't need to learn any kind of grammar.
Yeah.
If you're able to express any situation, any kind of story, then after that you can focus on vocabulary words, so that you can use while conversation, while
Mhm.
while discussing any deep topics.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
so that
in
you can use that vocabulary words during the
yeah,
conversation with someone else.
in short form, like topic is very important to elaborate ourselves and especially communication. It's very
Yeah,
important.
but vocabulary you don't need at the beginning moment.
Yes, the beginning moment is
Yeah,
not need. It's not a
yeah,
requirement. Actually.
yeah,
We can just start a simple conversation, simple sentence, simple
yeah,
vocabulary.
yeah. First of all, you'll have to clear your root of English language. How we can
Okay.
make a simple sentence, yeah, such things.
Yes. So thank you very much for sharing me your idea, your perspective, and your story. Seriously, it's such a great conversation, and definitely my people and even me, I will learn from your side. Whatever you told me,
No,
like
no, how can I teach you? Even I'm also learning, and lots of things I did, lots of mistakes I did right now
okay,
in
I
this
don't know.
conversation.
I didn't observe, but I was enjoying your conversation. I was observing your accent and your pronunciation. I was really- it's amazing. You are
Okay,
right. Okay. So thank you very much for connecting me, and thank you very much again for giving me some tips today.
so bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you again.